Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2016 65 reg Mini Countryman One. Nice car. This is a 1.6 petroleum vehicle, so nice on running costs, nice on road tax, nice on insurance. This particular vehicle is finished in the lovely pure white paintwork, which goes absolutely fantastic with the chrome and the gloss black exterior styling. So looking around the vehicle, where you'd normally find chrome, so on your headlamp surrounds, they're in the gloss black. You've got gloss black on the side mouldings, obviously on your window pillars, your roof rails and your tail lamp surrounds, and then we've got lots of chrome detailing as well. So around the grab handle on the Countryman lettering, coming through to the boot. Obviously the Countryman being the largest vehicle in the range, you get quite a nice amount of luggage space. You've got the split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. We've got our parcel shelf, our vehicle jack. We've also got a power outlet in the rear, so ideal if you're looking to do longer journeys and you want to keep a cooler box in the boot. But then looking around the car, it's in lovely order throughout, so you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners, very well cared for. You've got LED daytime running lights in the bottom, and then coming through to the interior, inside is a lovely charcoal black and grey sports seat. Now that's in nice order, so it's never been smoked in, no signs of any sort of rips or tears, no real discoloration on the seats. Looking through to the rear as well, that's the same story, so they're in nice order. Obviously split folding, you've got your Isofix in the bottom for your child seats, rear cup holders and a central power outlet, which is ideal if you've got children. They can charge the phones as you're driving along. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. We've got lots of this sort of graphite grey detailing inside, so on the door pillars, down the central radio and so on. So specification wise, this is a pepper pack vehicle, so it comes with a leather upholstered steering wheel. We've got full adjustments on the seats, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, electric mirrors. You've got automatic lights and automatic wipers, so that's a part of the pepper pack. Key entry there. And now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's covered 48,384 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through to the centre, we've got our modes. So that basically includes your FM, DAB, CD, AUX, USB. Then pressing through, you've got your Bluetooth phone, onboard computer, configurator and your mini services. That's all controlled via the buttons there. I know there's one button missing, so we have actually ordered that one, or the Toto surrounds, so those should be arriving any time soon. Following through, mini boost CD player. We've got our climate control with air conditioning, obviously central lock-in, 6-speed manual transmission. We've got our 12-volt power outlet, lock-in wheel nut is found within there as well. Nice service history on the car, so if you flick through our photographs, we do have the original book pack with the vehicle and all the documentation which was supplied with the car from brand new. So if you flick through our photos, you'll see all the individual service stamps. I've had the chance to drive this car myself. It does drive really well, goes nice through all the gears, clutch feels fantastic, and just an overall a nice ride quality on those wheels. But a nice car. We don't struggle to sell these, especially in this colour combination, as it is very desirable. If you'd like any further information on the vehicle, or if you require anything further, so a personalised video, more images, or you'd like to book in for a test drive, you can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, So if you'd like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. Now, I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So we are a 5-star dealer. We've got over, I believe it's 490 5-star reviews from verified buyers. And if you go through to our Facebook, you'll see that we've got people coming from all over the country to collect our vehicles. You'll see the level of stock that we actually have, and you'll see the multiple awards that we've won over the years. But again, thank you very much for watching. On sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's also Lee, and there's Graham, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.